Is your e-commerce sales revenue stuck or declining? Here's the formula you need to change that. I want you to first ask yourself, why is my revenue stuck or declining? Is it because you're not driving enough traffic, not enough people are buying, or your product is bad? If you answered C, this video won't help you. Now, those of you who answered A or B, here's a simple thought exercise. Imagine I own a website that sells dog beds. My website has 5 orders a month and 100 visitors. Let's say my goal is to double monthly orders to 10 per month. How can I do this? My first option is to double my visitors. I try improving my SEO and writing articles with insightful content, hoping that gets me some organic traffic. It's affordable, but it's slow, and I need to double my visitors now. So I turn to paid advertising for an immediate lift in traffic. But paid ads are expensive, and the real problem with paid ads is my visitors and orders drop the moment I stop spending on it. Smart marketers solve this dilemma by investing in CRO, or conversion rate optimization. By doubling my conversion rate, I can get 10 orders per month without having to increase my traffic. Let's break this down further. CRO is defined by the number of desired actions per visit. What are desired actions? On an informational website like this one, the desired actions are leads and form submissions. For transactional websites like our example that sells dog beds, those required actions are orders. A better conversion rate means more orders, more revenue, and lower costs of customer acquisition. But we must remember that in e-commerce, orders are just one of the dials I can use to increase my earnings. Other important metrics we cannot overlook include average revenue per user, customer lifetime value, pricing, reoccurring orders, average order value, ratings, reviews, newsletter, and signups. The smartest marketers don't just turn one, but many dials and invest in commerce revenue optimization. With over 780 e-commerce projects under our belt, Virtina is on a mission to rewrite the definition of CRO. Focusing on whole revenue instead of just conversions, we help e-commerce merchants grow their revenue efficiently and sustainably without adding another cent to your marketing expenses. That's why we're introducing CRO-HD, commerce revenue optimization that's holistic and data-driven. If you want to see the power of this firsthand, run a free trial to feel the difference. For a limited time, we're offering a free and complimentary commerce revenue optimization audit. See if your website qualifies by clicking the link below to sign up.